On the southern end of the beautiful Grenadines lies a 13-square-mile gem. Since 1965, they have been staging one of the Caribbean's best workboat regattas. But in 2015, it promises to be bigger and better. And that's not just a cliche. From July 27th to August 3rd, celebrating 50 years of the Carriacou Regatta Sailing Festival. Carriacou Regatta Sailing Festival. We are sailing by day and partying by night.
Woman move from in front the door. 50 years. How can I ignore? 50 years. You know I done book up me flight. 50 years. This ain't no time to be picking fight. 50 years. Do darling. 50 years. Stop your crying. 50 years. No more begging. 50 years. Useless pleading.